Hi, I'm Shane Tecklenburg. Today we're going to discuss how to extract a wire from an M880 ECU connector using the Autosport Extractor Tool. And I've got a sample here laying in my lap. This is a little bit tricky because I don't have enough hands, so it's going to take me a second. Basically what you need to do is extract the wire using the white end of the extractor around the wire. I'm going to get the wire under my thumbnail. You can see that there's an open gap at the end here, and if you slide it while pressing down and you're gentle, you can get it to go around the wire like that. So now you can see that I've got the extractor just around the wire there itself, and when I now slide this extractor into the back of the connector and up the wire, I got to slide it in a ways and give it a twist to get it to come in and lock up right. Now pull on the wire and it should extract the wire straight out like that.